A red flash. I just don't really just bust up on them, you know. It's like, God, that's a big red. Oh my goodness, that's giant. That is a stinking giant. Hope y'all got that. Look what we got here, boys. Redfish switched colors too. I think that was key too. A little bit more of a natural color, you know. I think that's really key sometimes when the water is this clear, to go ahead and change to a more, you know, more natural color. Like this, I think this color is called Natural by Voodoo. I'm gonna have to look it up, and I'll put the link in the description. But that is a quick tip for y'all, is because they were spooking on the yellow. I had on chartreuse because I was in a little bit of muddy water, and then I switched over. The water got real clear in here, so I switched over and was able to pick this one up blind casting at the turn. That's why you always fish. That's why you always fish turns in the bayou. I keep, you know, harking on that on my How to Catch Reds in the Marsh part 1 and 2. And that is how you do it right there. See what he goes. See what he goes. Oh yeah, 21. That's a good fish. That's a good slot. That's what I saw in there. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's get you back in. Like you're ready to go. There he is. That's a good one. That's a really good one. That's a really good one. Yes! Yes! Oh no, no, no! No! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Oh. I thought I had him. He had other plans. Wow. I thought for sure I had that fish in the net. Wow. He hit it hard. Oh man. I couldn't exactly see him, but I cast it right where he was. Oh man, that is YouTube worthy. That is YouTube worthy. I'm not upset at that because I've caught a bunch of fish today and that was fun. I'm not in a tournament or anything, but yeah, that was definitely a lesson learned, because I thought for sure I'd had that fish in the net, and I've been working on these fish for about 15 minutes, so that right there in itself was a big victory. But that was funny. I don't care. That's funny. They're loving this voodoo today, man. They are loving it. It's the voodoo shrimp in a 3.25. They are loving this thing, man. They love it in shallow water. They love it. Really? Oh, a big red just went after him. Oh my goodness. Come on, get the hook. Yeah, oh no. Yeah, oh no. Come on. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Wow. I think I got that on video. Mr. Trout, you better not be in here anymore. Look at the teeth marks that red made. See, he bit my voodoo shrimp once. That's the same red. That was a big red. That was upper slot for sure. So guys, I really hope that y'all enjoyed these fish catches that I had on this video, or the lack thereof. But I wanted to share some of these funny clips with you, because I just want to make people laugh. And the crazy thing about all this is that, you know, I just want to show people the fails as well. Not only the triumphs that I had during the day, but the fails as well. Because I see a lot of people that, you know, they edit their videos and their catches are perfect and everything like that. But that, guys, that's not what I want. I want some funny moments put in there. And I just want y'all to know that not every catch that I have is perfect, and not all the moments that I have on the water are perfect. There's a lot of times where, you know, I mess up, and sometimes it creates some really funny moments out there. So hope that you guys really enjoyed that. And remember to subscribe if you like my content, and also tap that notification bell as well to the right of the subscribe button if you like my content. But take care, guys, and until the next video, we'll see ya.